All right, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we want to solve another episode of indices question. They said 5 power 2x plus 6 is equal to 7 power x plus 3. What is the value of x? So there are many ways you can solve this question. I will show you one, maybe probably two in another video. So in this video we're going to solve this indices problem. 5 power 2x plus 6 is equal to 7 power x. How do we address this question? Before you add the powers of indices, it means the bases are multiplying. It means what? The bases are multiplying, which this law reveals. Before you add the powers, the law says that a power n multiplied by a power m will give you a power n plus m. So when you are multiplying the bases and the bases are the same, you are multiplying, so you add the powers. So if we can add, then we can also separate like this. So 5 power 2x is multiplying 5 power 6, and then 7 power x is also multiplying 7 power 3. That is why the powers are added. So we did the same thing. Now when we come here, we want to group like terms. So to group like term, we divide through by 5 power x. No, 5 power 6. So 5 power 6 here, 5 power 6 here. Then we also want the 7 power x to be at where 5 power x is. So we divide through by that one. So when you see the division, this divide by that in that order. So now we can now cancel. 5 power 6 is here, so this will cancel this. 7 power x, 7 power x, they will cancel. So when that happens, simplifying, we have 5 power 2x over 7 power x is equal to 7 power 3 over 5 power 6. Again, there is another law that says that when you are multiplying the powers, it means a power n bracket power m. So when that happens, it becomes like this. So when you see something like this, you can separate it to become something like this. And this is what is happening here. This is what is happening here. The two multiplying x, meaning we can separate them using the bracket. The two multiplying the x, the power 2 multiplying the x, it means we can separate them using what? This bracket like this. So when you expand the bracket, this will multiply this, give you back that. So yes, the same thing happened here. 5 power 6 also means 5 power 2 times 3. So here is it, also using the same law. 5 power 3. So also give you the same thing. So when that happened, this place become 25 power x, and this place becomes 7 power 3 over 25 power 3 over 25 power 3. And when that happened, now you can see that we have 25x over 25 power x over 7 power x is equal to 7 power 3 over 25 power 3. The law again says that when you have a over b power n, it can tend to be b power a, b over a power minus n. That is flipping the bases. Finding the inverse of the bases, the power will also become inverse. So a over b power n is equal to b over a power minus n. So that is what is happening here. While we have 25 over 7 power n is equal to 7 over 25 power 3. So we flip the bases, find the reciprocal. So when you do that, you have 25 over 7 all power x is equal to 25 over 7 all power minus x. So now the bases are the same. The law says that we should equate the powers. As the bases are the same, we should equate the powers. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3. Examiner, therefore x is such that x is equal to -3. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment and share. See you in the next episode. Or it's possible to apply logarithm and other forms to solve this. Check it out. This is it. You can screenshot it and look at it.